Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy, and I'm really glad that you are here. Today, we're going to do another beginner video. We're going to learn how to sign the CARES course. So this is a song that I sang in Sunday school when I was a kid, and I'm really glad to share it with you. So let's get started. Remember that I'm left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below this video in the description, you'll find a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing. Okay, so it starts with, I cast all my cares upon you. So I, pointing to yourself, and then cast. So for that, we're going to do give. So you make two G's, okay? Give. So it's a directional sign, right? So you're giving to God. I give all my cares. So you don't have to sign all, but if you wanted to, you could take your dominant hand and go around, kind of encompassing all. And then cares, we're going to do worries. So for that, it's kind of like you're swatting away all these negative thoughts from your brain. And you want to make sure that you have facial expression that shows, I'm sad, I'm stressed, I'm worried. I cast all my cares to you, pointing to God in heaven. And then I lay all of my burdens. I lay, okay? Some people here might do sacrifice, which is our S's, but that's a little fancy. We're just going to keep it simple. I lay all of my burdens down at your feet. So and then burdens on your shoulder. You're carrying it and it's heavy. All of my burdens down. So that's a directional sign. You have your non-dominant hand here as reference, and you go down. Okay, down at your. So when we're pointing to God in heaven, we do a single finger. But when something belongs to God in heaven, we want to open our hand. Okay, your feet, pointing down to where your feet would be. Okay, let's try that from the top. I cast all my cares upon you. I lay all of my burdens down at your feet. And any time that I don't know, so for any time you do when, so you take your dominant index finger, go around almost like you're making a clock, and then touch your non-dominant finger. When, okay, so that's when, and then any time is like this, okay? So when. So whenever, I don't know. And then here, don't know, okay? And you want to, once again, have a facial expression like, I'm confused. I don't know what to do. So now you have multiple fingers at your head, know what to do, okay? It's almost like you're pinching your index finger and your thumb. Know what to do, and then I cast all my cares upon you. Okay, let's try it from the top. I cast all my cares upon you. I lay all of my burdens down at your feet. And any time that I don't know what to do, I will cast all my cares upon you. Okay, who wants to try singing it with me? Okay, you sing too. So, I cast all my cares upon you. I lay all of my burdens down at your feet. And any time I don't know what to do, I will cast all my cares upon you. And that's all you need, guys. So practice that as many times as you need to. And I hope wherever you are, that you are having a wonderful day. And don't be discouraged, okay? If it takes a little time, God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. Wherever you are, you're having a great day. Bye. I pray that the Lord bless you and keep you. I pray that his face would shine upon you and that he would be gracious to you. I pray a blessed day for you, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.